Evolution of sniper rifles, from bolt-action wood stocks to multi-caliber digital beasts. This is the evolution of the most precise weapon in the history of warfare. Welcome to War Tech Stats, and today we're going deep into the evolution of the sniper rifle. 1. Mosin-Nagant M91 30ths 1891. The legend begins in Russia. The Mosin-Nagant M91 30ths, a bolt-action rifle used by Soviet snipers in World War II, including the famous Lyudmila Pavlichenko, with a PU scope and rugged design. It was mass-produced, but deadly accurate. 2. Springfield M1903. Across the ocean, the US fielded the Springfield M1903. Originally a battle rifle, it became a sniper staple in both world wars. Bolt-action precision, with long-range capability and durable iron sights, a true American classic. 3. Mauser 1918 T-Gewehr 1918. Now this was different. The Mauser 1918 T-Gewehr, the world's first anti-tank rifle, firing .50 caliber rounds. It was brutal, heavy, and ahead of its time. A spiritual ancestor to modern anti-material rifles. 4. Karabiner 98K 1935. Germany's Kar 98K. Reliable, fast, accurate, fitted with Zeiss scopes. This bolt-action beauty was feared across the battlefields of World War II. Snipers valued it for its smooth cycling and deadly precision. 5. Lee-Enfield No. 4 MKT 1944. Meanwhile in Britain, the Lee-Enfield No. 4 MKT made its mark. Accurate, high capacity, and used from World War II through the 1980s. It fired fast, it fired far, and it fired true. 6. Dragunov SVD 1963. The Cold War introduced a new breed, the Dragunov SVD, semi-automatic, lightweight, and designed for squad-level precision. It wasn't a sniper rifle in the traditional sense. It was something more, a designated marksman weapon that shaped Soviet doctrine. 7. M21 Sniper Weapon System 1969. In Vietnam, the US upgraded. The M21, built from the M14 platform, added a scope, a biport, and battle-hardened accuracy. Reliable in the jungle, effective in the open, it was the quiet killer of the war. 8. Accuracy International L96A 11982. Then came British innovation, the L96A1, cold-forged barrel, modular design, highly accurate, and weather-resistant. This was the dawn of the modern sniper rifle. 9. FN Special Police Rifle 1983. In urban combat, law enforcement needed something different. Enter the FN Special Police Rifle, a tactical tool built for precision in domestic operations, SWAT, FBI, and more. 10. Barrett M82 M10-71989. Now we go big. The Barrett M82, also known as the M107, a semi-automatic .50 caliber rifle designed to destroy vehicles, disable equipment, and devastate from afar. A true anti-material legend. 11. PSG1 1990. Designed for precision counter-terror ops, the PSG1 from Germany, semi-automatic, ultra-accurate, and built with the finest tolerances, used by elite snipers worldwide. 12. Senior to 51996. Enter the modern semi-auto DMR. The SR-25 delivered rapid, precise follow-up shots. It became the foundation for the Mk11 and M110 systems, still in service today. 13. Steyr SSG 691997. From Austria, the Steyr SSG 69. Lightweight, rugged, perfect for military snipers and police marksmen alike. A quiet performer with deadly output. 14. CheyTac M200 Intervention 2000. It looks like it came from a video game, and it kind of did. The CheyTac M200 Intervention Used for ultra-long range shooting, up to 2,500 meters, extreme range, extreme accuracy, extreme design. 15. Accuracy International AWM-2001. Now famous in both real-world and pop culture circles, the AWM, the Arctic Warfare Magnum, chambered in .300 or .338 Lapua. This rifle is tactical, elite, and brutally effective. 16. Mk11 Mod 02007. Based on the SA-25, refined for Navy SEALs, the Mk11 Mod 0 brought stealth, accuracy, and adaptability, often seen with suppressors and thermal optics in modern combat. 17. M110 SASS-2008. The next evolution, M110 SASS. Selected by the US Army for battlefield versatility, semi-auto, adaptable, and mission-ready. 18. Remington MSR 2014. Designed for the precision sniper rifle program, the Remington MSR. It's modular, multi-caliber, and built for SOCOM. One rifle, many missions. 19. Barrett MRAD 2020. The MRAD represents the future. Used by the US military, it offers tool-less caliber change, long-range precision, and mission customization. Battlefield flexibility in a sleek package. 20. VSS Vintorez 022. Silent, subsonic, devastating. The VSS Vintorez is a Russian .50 cal sniper rifle designed for special ops. It can penetrate body armor and walls without revealing the shooter. It's the sniper of the shadows. From bolt-action classics to digital, smart, suppressed rifles of the modern age, this is the evolution of sniper warfare. Which rifle impressed you the most? Which one would you trust for a 1,000-yard shot? Drop your answer in the comments. Subscribe to WarTech Stats for more epic firearm timelines. And we'll see you on the next mission.